Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change language in Khan Academy. First of all, launch upon Khan Academy application. You can see over here Khan Academy application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of this interface. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access several settings options from here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for language and reason. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the language and reason interface. You'll be able to find the options for language and reason over here. Right over here in the language section, you'll be able to see the language that is selected right now. For me, English language is selected. So if you want to change the language, simply tap on the language that is selected right now. Now you'll be able to find various languages over here. Simply tap on the language you want to change to. Now simply wait for a while. Now after you do that, you can see over here the language will be changed. So that is how you change language in Khan Academy. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.